Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we will see how to set a vacation responder in Gmail. So a vacation responder is basically a default message that you can set for the duration of the time when you are on a vacation or you do not want to reply to the emails. So what happens is anyone who texts you or sends you an email will get a default message from your end that informs them that this is the reason we are not available online, and you can connect back with us on this alternate form of contact, or you can connect with us after a few days. So this is actually a very helpful feature. Let's see how we set it up into our Gmail. So first step is make sure you are in your Gmail account. Click on this cork button, see all settings. In the general tab, scroll all the way down to the vacation responder. First of all, let's just enable it. So the first day and the last day, this you can set. So suppose first day is today, 20th September. The last day is optional. Do you want to set a last day or not? If you are not sure that how many times off you are gonna take, so you can just set it afterwards. So I have set a last day as September 25th. A subject you want to add like vacation time DND, and then some of the text that you can add with all these formattings. So let's just add hello, I am on a vacation, please connect after 25th. So this is just a sample message. You can add as much text as you want. And then there is an option to only send a response to people in my contacts. Like if you're receiving email from some promotional activities like a newsletter or something, you might not want to respond to them with this information about your life. So just this option is a safe bet to choose. Enable it, then click on save changes, and that's it. So it will say you vacation time DND. If you want to end this vacation, you can end it right now, or if you want to customize the settings, you can go to vacation settings and then you can customize it over here. However, I don't want to customize it, so let's just click on cancel. Let's see how do we end this vacation. Just click on end now, and that vacation has been ended. If you just go to the settings again, and here you will see that the vacation responder has been automatically turned off. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.